Good morning, dear students. So today we are going to prepare Mediterranean cuisine. Mediterranean, first we are going to prepare pita bread, which is basically pocket pita bread, and there are basically two types of pita breads are prepared. One of them is pocket pita bread, and the second one is without pocket. The second dish which we will prepare today, that is Atik Baybat dolmas. This is basically originated from Turkey, and green capsicums are used, and the stuffing prepared by the minced meat, rice, and lots of spices are added. And I will show you the basic misa of those. The ingredients or misa required for Atik dolmas, which is Turkey-based dish. We have taken the green capsicum. You can see these are the capsicum, and we have removed the top of the capsicum, and then inside we have removed the seeds, so that we can fill all the stuffing inside it. So we have taken 5 green capsicum here, a bowl of a cup of rice. The rice must be non-sticky, otherwise it will stick inside the capsicum. We have taken the half cup of minced meat, you can see, chopped onion, a tablespoon of chopped garlic, a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a teaspoon of cumin powder, grounded cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, salt as per taste we can use, and here we can use oregano, a tablespoon of oregano, and parsley. Parsley leaf, if we are having a fresh parsley, so it will be good, but if we don't have, then we can also use the dried parsley leaf. And we can add fresh black pepper. The sauce is also required for making the Atik dolma. So we have prepared the tomato based sauce. So the stuffing will be mixed properly and filled inside the green capsicum. After that we will keep inside the oven, and the whole preparation will took place inside the oven. So student, here we are preparing the stuffing for dolmas. You can see we have placed the lamb inside the bowl. Now we are adding chopped onion, the rice, chopped garlic, tomato sauce which we prepared. All the ingredients which are required for making the stuffing are mixed and roughly mixed, so that the flavor of spices can be inserted properly. Cayenne pepper, ground cumin pepper, the olive oil. Now we will add a little bit salt and parsley and oregano. We have added the oregano, a little bit parsley we are going to add, and now fresh black pepper, grounded black pepper we are adding. This is the method of making the stuffing for Atik dolmas, which are very famous all across the Greek. And now we will mix it thoroughly, so that all ingredients can be mixed properly. Now we are going to fill the stuffing inside green capsicum. You can see we have taken the spoon. One by one, the stuffing should be filled properly. So you can see here we are cutting the one tomato into 4 pieces, and after removing the seeds we are covering the top of capsicum by the tomato. So we are going to place our capsicum inside the oven. For that we have taken the tin, a bakery tin, cake tin, in which we are adding the water, and now we will place the capsicum, the stuffing which we have filled inside, and the whole capsicum, and then we are going to place it inside the oven, and it will take around 40 to 50 minutes, or until the rice get cooked. We will check it accordingly. So you can see on top we have covered it by the silver foil, and now we are going to place it inside the oven. We have kept the athid dolma inside the oven, and we have maintained the temperature at around 180 to 200 degrees Celsius. And now it will take around 45 to 50 minutes to cook, or we can check by the after 30 or 40 minutes we can check by checking the rice is cooked or not. Now our pathet dolma has been cooked properly. We have taken out from the oven. You can see here rice has been cooked properly, and the stuffing which we inserted inside has been cooked properly. Now we will place it on a plate and decorate it. Now we have presented over rectangular plate the pathet dolma, and we can consume it at the time of evening, at the night dinner, or we can also consume it at the time of lunch. You can see all the ingredients which we placed inside has been cooked properly, and the sauce we can serve it with tomato sauce. So this is for the day. Thank you very much.